Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the LocalSend application on Android TV. So before that, I'll show you how to get the app, and then I'll show you how to use LocalSend on Android TV. So to get the app, go to Apps and go to the browser of choice. So I'm going to Google. On Google, I'm going to type in LocalSend. So as you type, look at the suggestions, and I have it suggested there. I've clicked on the suggestion and I'm looking at the one from pay.google.com. That's the link you want. So click on that link, and then if you have your Google logged in already, this should bring you right to this page. You will find an install button here and you'll be able to install the app. But I already have it installed, so I'm going to launch with open. Now as I've clicked on the open now, the app is going to launch up and I'm going to find this interface. So looking at it, the top right corner you have information. So clicking on this will give you info. Clicking on this button right here is going to give you the history for all the transactions you've done, the documents you've sent, media you've sent, media you've received in the past, all that fall under history. Off here is in terms of the quick save. That function is off. You could turn it to favorites only, or you could turn it to on. So now this interface is toggled on the receive. So it is receiving. So on this receive, you're talking about receiving off. So now if I turn it to favorites, I'll be able to receive files only from favorites. So you can see file requests are now accepted automatically from devices in your favorites list. And if you plug up to a device on favorites, it will appear there. If not, it will not. If you turn it on, so you'll be able to receive files automatically. So file requests will be automatically accepted. So anyone on the local network is going to send files. Now note that the LocalSend app works with the local network. How you do this is that you connect two devices to a router, maybe a Wi-Fi box or a certain hotspot. The two devices you want to exchange files from or within should be connected to that network, and when you have it set up like that, those two devices will be visible to each other on this app. Ensure that those two devices are currently open on this application. So if this application is not open, you're not able to see the device or the other device you're trying to interact with. They have to be on the same network, but at the same time the app has to be open on the both devices. Take very special note of that. Now when the app is open on the both devices, on the device you wish to send, you just go to the send option and you click on the file. Clicking on file will open the gallery to choose the files you have on the device, and you have to select the file you want to send. Alternatively, you click on media. It will show you media, images, and so on. Or you could just paste something you have copied on your clipboard. The last two options are text and folder. You could send an entire folder, which is available on the device you're sending from, and you have that sent. So an illustration could be to click on media, and if I choose any of these items here and I select it and I click confirm, this will be ready to send. So I need to select nearby devices right here. Clicking on this can refresh the devices, and if I have a device connected to this same local network upon which I've opened this application on that device, I'll be able to send it from there. So that's simply how it works. And on the device you wish to receive from, just click on receive and make sure this is on, or make sure the device is a favorite, and you're going to be able to find the device when you come here and you click on that device. You send any selected item or media or file or folder, and you're going to send it directly. That's it about this application. If you found that video insightful, it is really a lifesaver. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for value like this, and you receive more content as valuable as this.